Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making beef, snow peas, and mushroom dinner. But we need a package of mushrooms, a package of snow peas, about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, about 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, a package of thin beef, or about a teaspoon of ginger, a fourth or a half a cup of soy sauce, depending on if you have a salted or not, and 6 cloves of garlic crushed. Well, sounds interesting, so you know the drill. Let's go. And to start off, we'll assemble our sauce. We're going to have our garlic, our ginger, our soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, and our brown sugar. Break that up a little and get it whisked together. We'll be adding our beef to the pan. And once that starts cooking, I'll be adding in our snow peas and our mushrooms. And that'll get stirred together and given about 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, when the beef and everything is starting to look wilted and cooked, we will add in our sauce. And that'll be cooking for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now, if you're like me and like a thicker sauce, you can remove some of the liquid sauce and put about a tablespoon of cornstarch into it. And then, of course, stir it in with the rest of your remaining liquid, and it should thicken up some. And your beef will look like this when it's done, and we're going to set that aside for the next 10 minutes to cool off to room temperature. Okay, best time is here, everybody. It is time to taste it. I'm gonna say I thought there was gonna be more soy sauce flavor, and I was kind of scared of that because some people in the house don't like that flavor a lot, but I was wrong. There's a nice sweet flavor to the sauce. The beef is cooked nice. Mushrooms and snow peas aren't as tough or crunchy as I thought they would be. It's amazing. This is a good little main dish when you don't have a lot of time to cook. And of course you can put it over rice or make other stuff to go with it, like noodles or lo mein or whatever you want. I think this would maybe be good with broccoli in it, almost like beef and broccoli. Or even just mushrooms if that's your thing. Onion pieces, you know. The sky is the limit when it comes to Asian sometimes. Well, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have any thoughts, leave me a like. Leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in the next video.